Recently, I've seen a disturbing video. It is fun to talk about, but let me talk about it. There is a woman who was living with the daughter of her sister. And she defecated. Or a big woman. This came like 1 year. 1 year. She stood and defecated on this boy. Defecated on this boy. Then after, she smeared him. She smeared him with the stool, her stool, and even made the boy eat some of it on camera. Now I've come to this couple. You guys, if you want to succeed, if you want to be like your head teacher, like which people say, to have the monies, to be successful, always fear God. Put God first in whatever you are doing. You must have a good heart in whatever you are doing. Sebo owekitivu n'editiki sikyasasira nnyo bantu balina bizibu. Nammwe temubasasira nnyo tosobola kumanya muntu byakola. That lady was arrested and they were asking her, what happened? She said, nothing. They were asking her, do you have any problem with your sister? She said, I don't have any problem with my sister. Do you have any problem with the boy? He said, I have nothing to do with the boy. Then they were asking her, why did you do what you were doing? And she had no answer. I've read the book, 48 Laws of Power. And they say, as you grow, as you mature, as you age, you must avoid the unsuccessful and the unlucky. Bogenda ng'okula, nga tukula. Abantu bonna abaalemwa, abaasiraana, mubabeere wala. Buli muntu yenna alina omukono mu kusiraana kwe. Buli omu alina omukono mu bugagga bwe ne mu kusiraana kwabwe, balina emikono mu bwavu ne mu bugagga, mu kuwangaala ne mu butawangaala. Naye lwakuba tetutabeera abantu bakola ebikolobero, bakwata abakazi, bakwata abasajja, bakwata abaana, babba nga suliyo takubulya kyeyakola, gw'omulengera mu kyaki kubuuka, kusaba mu nnimi, kola ki, naye nga n'ekizibu kyalina si kyakuggwawo nga bakola ebikolobero n'osa omuntu nga yagenda nasi asiigasiiga bantu sirimu yamufunira saaliyo kulwaki omumpaako ndabula nti omulina nkwegombye kale oli mulungi naye ndabula nti nyinamu ekindya yes naye mugwagwa tolina kisamo abantu bakoze ebikolobero bingi nnyo waliwo omuntu yangamba yalina mukwano gwe yamubba obuwumbi 4 n'obukadde 8 naye nga yali amwesize okumala ebbanga bwe yamala omubba n'abula. Sometime back nafuna message nga waliwo omuwala agamba yafuna olubuto naye bwe namanya saakozi mwe yalujja ne ŋŋamba tujja kukuyamba mbuwe soroti kozi omuwala ne mugamba genda ewammwe soroti you look for a training school because she said she had failed senior for terrible. Ne mugamba kale ndaga ku bubonero yali yagwa n'enkona nga yanywa ane mugamba okay noonya essomero eyo ewammwe soroti n'anoonya essomero bali Southern Institute naye njagendayo one time njagendayo kati then I got nga sibuulidde muwala oyo neefuna contacts z'essomero then we agreed that she was going to do catering so ne basaba 1.5 million so nesooka mpayaaga oli oba ye principal nangamba omwana acoma kumbe zempeereza bagabana n'oli omuwala n'oyo akulira institute n'empaya another 500,000 that's $1 million bagabana. I came to my senses. So this girl sometimes could say, you see, we have begun exams now. Then she could send me pictures that when they're doing classes, but these are pictures of other students. Then I came to discover. Then I was questioning myself. How come that I've been paying money all this time, but I've never seen a picture of this girl in class? Then I tried to get these pictures she has been sending, and I put them in Mr. Google search. And I discovered these were pictures from Facebook and Google. pictures on Facebook and Google. You see now? Now, kati abantu nga namwe balina mmwe mwewale ebibi. Oba oli mulokole, oba oli mukatoliki, oba mwagala okugaggawala n'enso bangwira. Mwewale ebibi n'okukola ebikolobero. Bano baasomanga etteeka lino, oyagala Katonda wo n'okwata amateeka ge, ensi mugirye. Katonda ng'asindika abaana ba Isirayiri mu nsi gye yabatuma, oba mwagala ensi ebangwire, mukwate amateeka ga Mukama. God be wonderful Ugandans. God be extraordinary Ugandans. There is an American who said, I choose not to be a common man. And I've been telling people that I commission you. God be uncommon people. God be uncommon fathers, uncommon mothers, uncommon students, uncommon Ugandans, uncommon human beings.
Are you a couple, family, or group looking for a cool, serene atmosphere at the adequate venue for a day out for the best in entertainment and leisure? Kelly's Travelers Inn is here for you. Kelly's Travelers Inn is located at Kobiri in Nama Sub-County, Mukono District, 3 miles from the heart of Mukono along Mukono-Kayunga Road, just 17 miles from Meta Golf Club and only 26 miles from Uganda Golf Club in Kampala. Kelly's Travelers Inn offers the best choice for revelers looking for undisturbed peace, quiet and rest. Get the rare opportunity to taste the feel of Uganda's traditional dishes, Orient, European and other delicacies prepared by the best chefs. Our accommodation rates are among the best in town and designed to suit our clients' pace with the prime objective of attraction for a second visit. We accept online bookings for accommodation, specially organized meals conforming to your choice of dishes, parties including birthdays, weddings, get-togethers, graduation and others. Don't hesitate to come and try our history-making hospitality, bed and breakfast, dinner, DSTV and free Wi-Fi, single and twin rooms meeting your preference. Kelly's Travelers Inn has a specially designed format to offer you a hideout in the city sensation and at the same time giving you comfort that ensures privacy away from the hustle and bustle of town.